The Visoria M microscope is a solution designed for various industrial and material applications. Made for your daily routines and quality control, failure analysis and R&D for metal, electronics and polymer industries, as well as for materials science labs. Adapt the microscope to your needs with various ergonomic accessories when you spend long hours working with the microscope. Stay comfortable and reduce the risk of repetitive strain injury by maintaining a proper posture from beginning to end. Use your time to observe a sample with optimal illumination without the need to adjust the microscope's light settings, thanks to the light management function. Save time visualizing macrostructures with a quick overview of the sample using the 0.7x macro objective. To see the fine details, simply change to a higher magnification. Quickly capture sample details with the press of a button while keeping your eyes on the image. The current magnification is also displayed on the screen. Visualize and analyze quickly and reliably different sample features with various contrast methods. You can observe a larger area of your sample with higher resolution using the XY stitching function. Acquire sharp images of your sample with extended depth of field by using the Enosight software's Z-Stack function. Determine the thickness of coatings or layers using the layer thickness measurement function of Enosight. If you prefer to work without eyepieces, Visoria M is also available in a digital version. Work comfortably and save space on your bench by operating the microscope without the need for a computer. Power up your routines with efficiency and comfort using the Visoria M materials microscope.